IGL is famous for making eco-friendly professional-grade products that are safe for cars as well as humans. Ecoclean Interior is an all-in-one interior cleaner that can be used on any car interior surface, including leather, vinyl, carpet, and upholstery. Simply spray and wipe to remove all types of dirt, grime, stains, and spills. For deeper stains in fabric and upholstery, apply, allow to dwell, then gently scrub with a fabric brush. Then blot the stain out using a clean, dry microfiber towel. Because Ecoclean Interior is safe on all surfaces, it's also the perfect cleaner for steering wheels and shifters to remove germs and built-up grime. Ecoclean Interior is plant-based, using both citrus and soy extractions to create a powerful but safe, non-toxic, biodegradable cleaner that leaves a fresh citrus scent. You no longer need 4 different cleaners because IGL Ecoclean Interior can do it all. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.